Look at this bulb. Okay, recall that the bulb, inside of it, there is two metal wires with a tungsten filament in the middle. Now, the tungsten filament is the one that would convert the electrical energy into light, heat and light. And the light energy is the one that we want because this is a light bulb. Okay? So what happened is that the electricity must flow through the tungsten filament before the light bulb can light up. Okay, I repeat. The electricity must flow through the tungsten filament before the light bulb can light up. So how do electricity flow through the tungsten filament? It must first flow to one of the wire that's holding the tungsten filament on one end, flow through the tungsten filament, and flow through the other wire on the other hand. Okay? Electricity needs something to flow through. Okay? It needs an electrical conductor to flow through. Something that can conduct electricity. Okay, so if you notice this metal tip, as I mentioned, one of the wire is connected directly to the metal tip. The other wire is connected to the metal base, the one around here. Okay, the metal tip, this is the silver dot. That's the metal tip and the metal base. Okay, so when one wire is connected to the metal tip, we must ensure that the metal tip is connected to the battery, one terminal of the battery. And the other wire, since it's connected to the metal base, we must make sure that the metal base is also connected to the other terminal of the battery. Okay, remember the electricity flow, all right? This is the conventional current, okay? Flows from positive to negative of the battery. Positive terminal to the negative terminal, okay? So, now, this battery here, for example, okay, I'll use a battery holder to help me with this. So same thing, the battery holder, you notice, metal parts, so that the negative terminal connects directly to this metal part. And when I clip the wire onto this part here, okay, electricity can flow, provided there's a closed circuit. Okay, remember there must be a closed circuit in order for electricity to flow. So you notice this positive terminal is connected to this metal part here, so electricity can flow. All right. Now, so if you notice, okay, when I clip this, and I clip this over here, okay? If I put anything between these two crocodile clip and make a closed circuit, okay, electricity will be able to flow. All right? This is a conventional current. Okay, now, so for this bulb here, I need to put one at the metal tip, the other at the metal base. So at the metal base and the metal tip, okay, observe. Okay, notice the tungsten lights up. Okay, it heats up, then it will have a glowing light. Okay, what happens if I put, instead of the metal tip, I put it on the glass? Nothing happens because the glass is not connected to any part of the tungsten or the wires holding the tungsten. Okay, and if I put it just at the metal tip and onto the glass, also cannot. So it must be at the metal tip and the metal base. Then that's where you get the light.